welcome back to another video of our channel. So today I am going to show you how to download Zoom on the TV. I have made another video before over here, but that was not that good. So this time I will be trying to make it more simpler and make it easier and very fast for you. So first, here in the Google Play Store, we will open that app which is named as sendfilestotv. Here it is, sendfilestotv. It can be downloaded on all Android TVs and it will be this name and it's by Zapio. So we will be just downloading that, and in the phone too we will be downloading a file commander so that we can open the the APK which we have sent to the TV by our phone. So here now we will be going. I have already downloaded. I am telling you the name, TV File Commander. I will be also showing you it on the Google Play Store. So okay, now search TV File Commander. So I go to TV File C. Here you can see this is the file commander which I have installed. So after this,
download the send and receive files app, which is over there. I'm just downloading it from the Play Store. Okay, send and receive files and receive files over TV. So let's see. Yeah, this one. Now we're gonna install this. So starting. I hope this video is better than the last one. So it will take time to get the views as much as that got, but I think this has the better quality than that one. So I think I will be doing that as a private video, or I'll think about that. So this is downloaded. Then now we'll just close it, and now we'll go to our browser, or which browser you have. Like you can go to Chrome even, but I'm using this browser generally, so I'll be using that. Now I'll be searching aptoidtv APK. You have to search APK, download for TV. Yep. Now here aptoid app store for TV. Yes, this one. Download aptoidtv from download. This is the APK that's downloading. Now after this, I will be showing you the mobile screen as well as the TV screen simultaneously. So let's move on to that now.
So as you can see, this file commander is now open. I'll be just going on this. So here I've selected the internal storage. Here, internal storage. I'll be just clicking on this. And now here as you can see, there's the Android. Download. So I'll be going to this download. So here in the download, as you can see, aptoidtv 5 is there, which I have just transferred. So here I'll be clicking on this. You can see the app is installed. Now I'll just open it. The aptoidtv is now open. You can see it's opening aptoidtv. Okay, it's okay. I will be just moving here and okay. Yes. This is what this said denied the permission, but no problem. It will again ask. Then I will just allow it. So now I will just go up and here I will just allow. By mistake I didn't allow this thing. Now I will be searching Zoom. Now the Zoom will come here. Now as you can see, Zoom cloud meeting has come here. And now I will install. It's not tested for this, but it will be good. I mean, I've used it once before. I mean, I'm just showing you again. It's installing and you can see downloading. Now after Zoom was, I clicked on open Zoom, then this came install unknown apps from. So here aptoidtv I have to just okay, then I'll just do that. Yeah. So here now Zoom is, you can see open, it's open, and as you can see it's now started. Now we will be just clicking on install, and after install this will get installed.
So now we will be needing a mouse for working.
I just got a mouse which was kept somewhere in the house. So now I'll be using this mouse to operate. Now as you can see the mouse is visible. Now I'll be signing in with my account, and then I'll be entering my email address, etc. Or I can without this one, let's go. Join a meeting. Okay. I mean it's now working as you can see. Any meeting you can join. But if you want the live demo, like the new meeting and everything, then I will have to sign in. So I will be signing in.
So guys, now you can see that all the options, new meeting, join, schedule, everything like the phone version of Zoom are available. Now I'll be clicking on new meeting so that I can show you how the meeting in this will work. So let's go, and here then start meeting option I've clicked here. Okay, it's clicking. Yeah, so you can see that now the connecting screen has come. Yeah, so here all the options, unmute, mute, share, everything will work. Sometimes the mouse takes a little bit time. I mean, sometimes it takes a little more time to react. That's why it may take a little more time, but here you can see the options are working, and I'll show you the share screens also working, and then I'll show you the participants screen is also coming when I'm clicking on the participants. So by this we can tell that all the options are working. Now if you want another video on this, in which I will tell you, it's not like Zoom, I will tell you in that how to download WhatsApp on this so that you can open the link of the Zoom. So for that I need at least 20 comments. Okay, that's all. Thank you. And yeah, we can also add a webcam for video, which I will tell in another video, which I will make short. Please like the video, subscribe the channel and share it, and comment me and suggest anything.